Here's how to check if your laptop supports Wi-Fi 6 or not. First is go to the left bottom of your laptop and go to the Windows icon that you can see. Afterwards, go ahead and search for the control panel options. And then click on the open signage or symbol that you can see under the control panel app. After clicking on the control panel, what you need to do is go ahead and go to the change adapter settings or to the change advanced sharing settings. After clicking on that, you will be see there these options. What you need to do is go ahead and double click the Wi-Fi internet options that you can see from the network connections. Afterwards, you will see there the information, the Intel R Wi-Fi 6 A6201160MHZ. So this only means that your laptop is supporting a Wi-Fi 6 option.